In my last video, I have showed you how you can use OpenManus, but it did not go too well. So today I am going to show you how we can use the core application or the core feature that makes OpenManus work, and that is browser use. Okay, let me search it. Browser use. So what is browser use? With browser use, you can automate your entire journey using AI. It will control your browser exactly how you prompt it to. Okay? So to install browser use, you need to have Python installed in your computer. Let me search. Let me show what are the things that you are going to need first. Okay? Things we are going to need. Number one, Python. Latest version of Python. Number two, we are going to need a code editor. I like to use VS Code. You can install any one you like, but I like to use VS Code. Number three, you are going to need an API from Google, which is actually free. So you can install it completely for free. Use it for free and install browser use for free. Okay? For browser use. So let's install the necessary stuff, applications. Number one, Python. Just go to python.org/download and download 3.13.2. Then we are going to need browser use. I mean VS Code. Search VS Code, download. Just click on it, download it. And I am using Windows. You can use Linux, Mac, or any other operating system you have. So download it and install it. Okay? So now let's see how we can install browser use, which is actually an OpenManus alternative. It works like OpenManus or OpenAI's operator. So first you need to search browser use, and type web UI. This one is very important, web UI, because browser use has to be used with some type of interface, and web UI gives you that interface. Okay? So hit on enter. Get. You can see the GitHub link. Just search GitHub. Go to Google, search browser use web UI, GitHub. Hit on enter, and the first link of GitHub, click on it. Now, we need a folder. We need to make a folder in. Now, click on new and new folder. Type it as browser use. Okay? Now, I almost forgot. You need to have CMDER over here. You need to have CMDER, and I'm going to show you how you can install it. Just search CMDER. This is another application. It's a PowerShell emulator. Before, you are going to need CMDER. Okay, now search, click on it, download it, install it. And after you installed it, you need to go to search and type in CMDER and hit on the open file location. This step is very important. I'm going to show it again. Search CMDER and then hit on open file location. CMDER and open file location. Okay, here is CMDER, and as this is a shortcut, remember, if it's a shortcut, you need to go to file location again. Right mouse click and then go to file location, open file location. This is the application. Now click on it, open it. Something like this will show up. Now click on this 3-line icon and then go to settings. I repeat, open CMDER, click on it, click on the three-line menu and click on it. Now go to settings, and then all you need to do is register. Here I've already registered it, so you can do it too. Just click on it, and here you will find register. I reset and just go to settings, okay, and save settings, and you will have this option, open in CMDER. Okay, now remember the browser use folder we have created. Just click on it, click on the open with CMDER, right mouse click, open in CMDER. Okay, we're in. Now go to the GitHub webpage we have for browser use. Now we need to clone the Git repository. Okay, clone the repository. The first copy the first one and hit on enter. We are going to wait until it's cloned, and for me it took a few seconds. Sorry for that. Now click on the CD web UI. CD web UI. It will copy the next line and hit on enter. Okay, now we need to install web UI. I meant UV. How do you install UV? Click on this icon. Here is where we should go. This the link will take you to this link. I'm going to show it to you again. Go to this browser use, and after you have done these steps, now go to, we recommend using UV. Click on the UV icon, UV text, and you will be here. Now for Windows, as it's Mac and Linux, now go to Windows. Now copy it. Okay, now go to CMD and now paste the code. It might take some time to install. In the meantime, let's look at these things. Okay, I think we are done. Or you can just type pip install UV, and now we wait. Okay, we have installed UV. Now what we have to go to that GitHub link and copy this command of step 2. Now go to this cmder and then paste it. Paste the command. Now hit enter. Everything will be downloaded. Now for command prompt, just copy this line of code, this prompt, and paste it over here. I have already done all of this steps, and now I'm going to paste this link, this option over here, and hit enter. We have activated the virtual environment. Now we need to install the dependencies. Okay, now copy the UV pip install requirements and paste in the cmder. Now we wait. So this browser use, with using browser use, you can control the entire browser, and Google's Gemini API will help you to install everything. I mean, navigate, click on the submit file, or buy groceries, do shopping in Amazon, find the best products by comparing them, and etc. Now, after this, we need to copy the dependencies. This dependencies is for Chromium. We are going to install both of them. Okay, now hit on enter, copy and paste. All you need to do is copy and paste. Now pip install, after we are done, now we need to remember that I told you to install the VS Code. Now you are going to need VS Code. Okay, minimize everything. Now go to browser use. Here is the browser use. Yeah, okay. Now click on open with VS Code. If this option does not show up, don't worry. Just go to VS Code, type in virtual Studio Code. Okay, you need to search the VS Code or virtual code Visual Studio, and this will pop up. Okay, now click on open. Now we need to go to new files. Sorry, not new files. We need to go open the folder. Now go to the browser use folder. I have saved it in desktop, so here it is. And here we are. Okay, now we would need to create the we need to create this for okay. Now let's open make a new folder. Now let's make a new file .env. Remember, this is very important. Open a new file .env. Now we need to paste the API key in it. How will we do that? Let's go to Google API. Just search Google API, that's it. Okay? Google API Studio. Remember, Google API Studio. Type Google API Studio. Now we need to search get API key. You might have to log in or do a lot of stuff. What I did do is I just copied it from here. I am already signed up, so all I have to do is create the API. You might have to sign up, do a lot of things, and then get the API, but the steps are the same. Okay, regular sign up and then create. Now let's go down. To configure the file, the API file, we need to copy this line of code, this one. Google API equals to copy here. Okay, nothing else, just this. Now paste it. Now all you need to do is remember the API key we had. We copied the API key. This is the API key. Okay, now go here and paste it over your key here. That's it. Now save. We are almost done. Now to run it, we need to copy this address, go to the CMD here, copy this python webui.py and this. Okay, and go to CMD here and then paste it. It will take, see, you have see this section? You are almost ready. Now click on HTTPS. Now copy this link. All you need to do is copy this link, open your browser and paste. And now you have the LLM settings. This is the browser use with web UI. Okay, now click on the LLM setting. You need to now click on Google. Put your API key over here. Your API key is this one. This is mine. I am going to delete it because you can make your own. You don't need my API. The base URL will be empty. Yeah, that's it. Now go to browser settings. No, you don't need browser settings. Just now run agent. Okay. Sir, now you can do whatever you want. I am going to open Google and then ask it to download Elon Musk's photo. Okay. Go to www.google.com and download and search for a picture. Elon Musk and download it. Okay. Now hit on run agent. It's already working and it's searching Elon Musk. See? I told you, it's working. Now the AI is searching for Elon Musk's photo, downloadable photos. It's opening it. So here you go. It has downloaded everything I need. Well, the download did not work, as you can see. Oh, it worked. It worked. Oh no, it did not work. But hey, this is actually a really good project. Just know how you can use the AI, how you use the AI, and it will do your stuff for you. Yeah. As you can see, I did not make it. I did not move my cursor or ask it to do anything. Okay. So here you go. This is how you install open Manus browser use or any type of chat OpenAI operator alternative. Okay, this is all for today. Bye bye.